नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जेविन डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन मैथोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. So today's topic is steroid hormone. Steroid hormone is a steroid that act as a hormone. These steroid hormone are a crucial substance from the proper function for the proper functioning of the body. The steroid hormone are produced in an adrenal cortex, testes, ovary, and some peripheral tissues. All the steroid hormone are derived from the cholesterol and require only the ring structure and a side chain attached to it. The enzyme which produce steroid hormone from the cholesterol are located in mitochondria and smooth epidoplastic reticulums. All the steroid hormones are lipid soluble and water insoluble, so it is permissible to the membrane, so they are not stored in a cells. The steroid hormones are non-polar and can thus diffuse across the lipid membrane, and they leave cells shortly after the synthesis. The type of steroid hormone first is the glucocorticoids. This hormone originated in the adrenal cortex and affect mainly the metabolism by decreasing the inflammation or increasing the resistance to the stress, like corticosteroid. Okay. Second is mineralocorticoids. This kind of corticoids originated in the adrenal cortex and maintain a salt and a water balance. Okay, like aldosterone. Next is the androgen. The androgen originated in the adrenal cortex, and the glycanols and the primarily affect the maturation and the function of the secondary sex organs, like male sexual determination, like testosterone hormone. Next is the estrogen. Estrogens are originated in the adrenal cortex and the gonads, and primarily affect the maturation and the function of the secondary organ in a female sexual determination, like estradiol or estrone. Next is the progesterone. Progesterone is also known as the progestin. This hormone, progesterone, originated from the both ovaries and the placenta, and it is affected of the menstrual cycle and maintain the pregnancy. For example, progesterone and progesterone. This is the structure of the corticosteroids, and you can see the corticosteroids compound B, the cortisol with compound F, the 11 dihydrocorticosteroid with the compound A, the cortisone compound E, the structure of aldosterone, the structure of testosterone. These all are structure are a cyclic ring with a side chain. Estradiol, estrone, progesterone, progesterone. So the biosynthesis of steroids, you can see here all the steroids are synthesized from the cholesterol. Okay, here you can see the structure, the synthesis process of from the cholesterol. First it is converted into the progesterone, then it is converted into the corticosterone, and then it will convert into the aldosterone, which is a hormone. Next, the cholesterol convert into the 11 hydroxylase, and it will convert into the cortisol. The cholesterol convert into DHEA. DHEA is a dehydroepiandrosterone, and it will convert into the androstenedione, and after it will convert into the estrone. This estrone also convert into the estradiol. Okay, so by converting the progesterone convert into the aldosterone, and aldosterone further convert into the testosterone, and this aldosterone convert into the last dihydrotestosterone, which is DHA. So this is the biosynthesis process of the steroids hormone. Now here you can also see that the cholesterol by the structure convert into the progesterone, and after it will convert into the cholesterol, corticosterol, aldosterone, and 4-androsterone. Okay, So the steroids hormone plays a major role in carbohydrate regulation, mineral balance, reproduction function, inflammatory response, stress response, bone metabolism, cardiovascular fitness, and active DNA for protein synthesis. Thank you very much.